Welcome back to Coding. So guys, I hope you all are taking care and thank you so much for your support on the recent short videos, and I hope you all are enjoying the videos that I'm posting for you and understanding each and everything. So in today's topic, what we are going to do, we are going to learn what is a network and different types of network, basically LAN, MAN, WAN, and also topologies like ring topology, star topology, and the different types of topology available. What are its advantages and what are the disadvantages? So all we are going to learn in this lesson. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel, I posted content regarding Excel, C, C++, Java, Python, computer network, HTML, CSS, and ample of videos that will really help you. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time and understand different networks and their types. Going to the very first thing, that all we know that what is a computer network. So basically, computer network means a group of networks that are linked by a means of communication system. That is basically called as a computer network. सो अगर इसको मैंने बताया तो क्या होगा, बेसिकली जब एक कंप्यूटर क्या है आपस में कनेक्टेड होता है एक दूसरे के साथ और एक चीज क्रिएट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ नेटवर्क. मीन्स क्या वो शेयर कर रहे हैं कुछ भी, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं आपस में, कुछ भी क्रिएट लिंक बीच में क्रिएट है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. सो बेसिकली द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क वेरीज इन साइज, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड ज्योग्राफिकल स्प्रेड. सो बेस्ड अपॉन दीज there are four types of network, that is LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. So these are four types of network that are basically divided into it. So we are going to discuss one by one each of this network. To the very first network, that is LAN. So whenever talking about a LAN is basically a small computer network that are confined to a localized area. Now when I'm talking about a local area network, that means it will just be at a simple place. Like example आप ले लो, suppose there is a school. So in school we have different computers and they are all attached to one single system, that is a printer, which all the things have been worked and they can access that printer from any of the computer. So that is the example of a LAN. So वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि स्कूल में काफ़ी सारे कंप्यूटर्स हैं बट उनका क्या था, एक ही सिस्टम प्रिंटर अटैच्ड है. किसी भी कंप्यूटर से कमांड देंगे तो प्रिंट कहाँ पे जाएगी, उस प्रिंटर के ऊपर. So basically they are known as local area network. So the key purpose of a LAN is to serve its resource sharing, the hardware as well as the software sourcing. So LAN users can share data, information, programs, printers, hard disk, modems and whatever it is required. As you can see on the screen also, there is a diagram, there is a printer, there is a server, there is a different workstation. So all of these workstations help us to allow use of only single thing, that is a LAN. So basically LAN cable are used to connect with the network interface card. Means they are required to be a network interface card into it, then only it will work in a local area. So basically it is preferred in office, buildings, schools, etc. Network. So basically in MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, are the networks spread over a city. For example, cable TV networks that are spread over a city can be termed as Metropolitan Area Network. The purpose of a MAN is also sharing in hardware resources among its users. So basically now it will be within a city. Suppose say there are different ISP organization, basically internet service providers or basically cable connection. So they have different outlets in different city. So they provide a different city. सपोज से आप इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल ले लो, एक नेटवर्क, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, कोई वाटर कनेक्शन है, तो क्या है एक सिटी में इन्वॉल्व है और वो क्या है सबको वो नेटवर्क प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं कि आपको वो पानी मिल सके या को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल सके. सिमिलरली नेटवर्क में क्या होता है, जैसे वो आपका टीवी कनेक्शन है तो वो क्या है पूरी सिटी को केबल प्रोवाइड करता है. यहाँ पे आपका कोई वाईफाई वाला है या कुछ भी इंटरनेट आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो वो क्या है आपके पास एक नेटवर्क से वो पूरी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या एक जगह पे वो पूरा क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. सो बेसिकली दैट इज प्रोवाइडिंग अ नेटवर्क विद इन अ सिटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मेट्रोपोलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. Next kind of network that we has a wide area network. So networks spread across countries are known as wide area networks. A wide area network is a computer that are separated by large distances and tied together. It can be even a group of LANs based upon different locations. The WAN links computer to facilitate fast and exchange efficient information. So basically computers are connected to the wide area network. So best example of wide area network is internet. In the previous case, as I told you about internet, was that the ISP providers, mean internet service providers, that were providing you a network within the city. Like एक कोई कंपनी है वो आपको विद इन आपके सेक्टर वाइज या कहीं पे भी आपको कोई नेटवर्क प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ metropolitan network. But I'm talking about WAN, that is basically internet. So whole of the internet that we are using over here, that is called as a wide area network. Like just on a click we are exchanging information, we are sharing mails, we are connecting to all over the world, that is called as a WAN, that is WAN. So basically in the previous case you can take the table key as example. In this case internet as a whole world that we are using, that is a wide area network. Next kind of network that we have is a PAN. So basically a personal area network is the interconnection of technology within the range of an individual person. So typically within a range of 10 meter. So for example, a person traveling with a laptop and a portable printer could interconnect without having plugging in them using the Wi-Fi technology. So basically we use Bluetooth, we use some other things that are available with the help of Wi-Fi signals. So that is the way through what we are using. We are using some technology. So suppose say we have something portable and you want to access it. So सबसे एग्जांपल आप क्या ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर यूज करते हो तो आपको कहीं पे भी access करना है तो क्या करोगे विद इन रेंज में आप जहाँ पे बैठे हो उस ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट करोगे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली व्हाट यू कैन share the information, you can listen to songs, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So basically this is the type of personal area network which is limited just to a particular individual. Next kind of thing that we have is the topologies. Now what I mean by topology? So basically when I am talking about topology, a network topology is a physical and the logical arrangement of nodes and connection in a network. Nodes usually include devices such as switches, routers and software with switch and router features. Basically network topologies are represented as a graph. So basically the selection of topology for a network can be done without the effects and the SS method available. So the pattern of interconnection of node in a network is called as a topology. So हमारे पास क्या एक नेटवर्क में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरह के नोड्स होते हैं. सो बेसिकली जो उनकी कनेक्शन है कौन सी चीज के कनेक्शन को हमें यूज करना है सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ टोपोलॉजी. Now, what type of topology to use based upon which thing? So whenever I want to assess a topology, I need to keep in mind three factors: cost, flexibility, reliability. कौन से तीन फैक्टर याद रखने हैं? Cost, flexibility and the reliability. First, number one, cost. For a network to be cost effective, one could try to use minimize installation cost. हमारी क्या जितनी minimum installation cost होगी उतना इफेक्टिव क्या होगा हमारा नेटवर्क होगा. Next, flexibility. Because the arrangement of the things in office is subject to change, the topology should allow for easy reconfiguration. अब क्या है कि अगर हम किसी ऑफिस में कोई टोपोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं तो क्या है कि हम अरेंजमेंट को बार बार चेंज नहीं करेंगे फर्नीचर या वॉल वगैरह को, तो हमें एक ऐसा मेथड यूज करना चाहिए जो क्या है रिकन्फिगर करने में इजी रहे. थर्ड, रिलायबिलिटी. फेलियर इन नेटवर्क कैन टेक टू फॉर्म. फर्स्टली एन इंडिविजुअल नोड कैन फंक्शन. So second type of fault where the network itself operates. So the topology to be chosen for network can help by allowing the location. So basically क्या है अब हम एक लोकेशन देख के क्या करेंगे टोपोलॉजी को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. अब क्या है कि इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल इन रियल लाइफ व्हाट यू कैन से. अब आपके घर पे कोई भी आप नेटवर्क यूज़ कर रहे हो, अगर आपको पता है कि इस नेटवर्क के जो टावर्स हैं या कुछ सिग्नल्स हैं नहीं असेसिबल, सो आप उस चीज़ को नहीं यूज़ करोगे, इंस्टेड यू विल बी यूजिंग अदर टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क. सिमिलरली टोपोलॉजी में क्या है उसकी कॉस्ट, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड रिलायबिलिटी को देख के ही क्या है हम उस टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करें. Now coming to the different types of topologies. So basically whenever I'm using a approach, so there are different type of topologies: star topology, ring topology, graph, bus, tree and mesh. So I'm going to discuss each of topology one by one. So coming to the very first topology, that is the star topology. So whenever I'm talking about the star topology, what happens with the star topology? This topology consists of a central node to which all the other nodes are connected by a single path. Basically star, so star से समझो कि कैसा कनेक्शन होगा उसका स्टार जैसा. As you can see in the diagram, workstations are there. There is a single server. So all of these are connected accordingly as the arrows are mentioned. So it is a topology in most existing information network involve data processing or voice communication. So this is that type of topology. Now coming to the advantages of star topology and also the disadvantages of star topology. Number one, ease of service. So the star topology has number of concentration points. So this provides a ease of reconfiguration. Second, one device per connection. Connection point in any network are inherently prone to failure. So that is why in case of star topology we use only a single connection so that it does not involve disconnection. Next we have centralized central problem. The fact that central node is connected directly to every other node, so it is easy to detect and understand that what is the reason of disconnection. Simple access protocols. Any given connection in a star network involves only the central node, so who has the control of the median will be easily be solved. Now what are the disadvantages of star topology? Long cable length. So basically as we said that each of the workstation involved with the server, so it will involve a long wire, so that is why it involves long cable length. Next, difficult to expand. The addition of new node to a star network involve a connection of all the way to the central node. We have to change all of the things when I want to expand it. Central node dependency, in the central node if the star network fails, the entire network is failed. मीन्स अगर आपकी जो मेन नोड है वो ही खराब हो जाएगी तो बाकी सारा कुछ भी क्या है, खराब हो जाएगा. बेसिकली इसमें याद रखना है कि जो स्टार टोपोलॉजी है वो एक स्टार की तरह वर्क करेगी. हमारे पास ईज ऑफ सर्फिस है, वन डिवाइस पर कनेक्शन देगा और इसकी लॉन्ग लेंथ केबल कॉस्ट होती है, एक्सपेंड नहीं कर सकते अच्छे से, और ये क्या है, सिर्फ डिपेंडेंट होती है सिर्फ सेंट्रल नोड के ऊपर. Coming to the next type of topology that we have is the bus topology. So basically when I'm talking about the bus topology, that is also called as a linear topology. So in this, the single length of the transmission medium onto which the nodes are attached, the topology is used in traditional data communication network where the host is at one end of the bus, communicates with the various server terminals attached along its length. So as you can see in the example also, here is the server and different workstations are involved into a single terminator. So that is the basic thing of a bus. So what it happens, data is transmitted in small blocks known as packet. Each packet has some data bits plus a header containing a destination address, a station wanting to transmit some data into the packets along the bus. So the destination device on the identifies the address and the packet copies data onto its disk. So simple example bus topology का, you travel in a bus, आप बस में जाते हो, कंडक्टर क्या करता है, आपको एक टिकट प्रोवाइड करता है. टिकट पे एड्रेस लिखा होता है कि आपने कहाँ पे डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचना है, उसका प्राइस लिखा होता है. एज सुन एज आप उस डेस्टिनेशन पे रीच करोगे, आपको क्या है, वो बाय लेके जा रहा है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बेस के थ्रू, तो वो क्या है, वहाँ पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वो पैकेट्स हो गए. अब जैसे जैसे जो सा पैकेट होगा वो वहाँ पे डिलीवर होता रहेगा, और जो आगे चीज जाती रहेगी वो क्या है, आगे ट्रांसफर होगा जब तक वो अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पर नहीं पहुंचता. So coming to the advantages of linear topology, short cable length and simple wiring layout. इसकी क्या है, लेंथ बहुत शॉर्ट रहेगी और वायरिंग लेआउट भी बहुत कम होएगा. Resilient architecture, the linear architecture has an inherent capability that make very reliable for a hardware point of view. That हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, एक सिंगल केबल है तो बहुत रिलायबल होता है. Easy to extend. Additional nodes can be connected to existing bulk at any point of time. Means we can connect any of the new node whenever I want to add a new node. Disadvantages, fault diagnosis is, although simplicity is the bus topology means that it may be little or maybe a lot of fault that it could be available if the cable is packet is been delivered to the wrong address. Fault isolation is difficult. In star topology, a defective node can easily be isolated from networks. Means अगर एक जगह पे fault आएगा तो वो क्या है, isolate हो जाएगा बहुत easily. Repeater configuration. When bus type has its backbone extended, यूजिंग रिपीटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में भी नेसेसरी. तो अब हमें रिकॉन्फ़िगरेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी अगर वो क्या है, हमने रिपीटर की रिकॉन्फ़िगरेशन की है. नोड्स मस्ट बी इंटेलिजेंट. ईच नोड ऑन द नेटवर्क इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू सेंट्रल बस. This means that they have to decide who use the network at a given point of time. So nodes को क्या है, इंटेलिजेंट होना भी बहुत नेसेसरी है in case of bus topology. Next, coming to the type of topology, that is the ring topology. I hope this thing is getting very lengthy though, but I'm going to explain you each and everything so that it's easy for you to connect with the network as well as the topology in one go. So coming to the ring topology, and whenever I'm talking about a ring topology, each node is connected to two or neighboring nodes. Data is separated from one of the neighboring node and transmitted to the another node. So thus data travels in one direction from one node to another with the help of a ring, as you can see in the example. The picture that depicts that it is working in the form of a ring. Now coming to the advantage of ring topology, short cable length, as we already talked, it will involve short cable length because it has a desired part. No wiring closet space required. There will be no wiring closet space required because they follow a similar channel and they are node to its immediate members. Suitable for optic fiber. This is very suitable whenever we are using a optical fiber. Disadvantages, node failure causes network failure. Means if one node will be connected, so other will also lead to failure because they are neighboring node to each other. Means one is a node for other and one is a node for another. So in that case, it will be a failure of the network. Difficult to diagnose fault because it will be difficult. We do not know that which neighbor caused the problem so that the network got disconnected. Network reconfiguration is also difficult because we do not know that which node was affected and accordingly that the network was being disrupted. So इसमें क्या है, सर्कुलर पाथ है, हर कोई एक दूसरे की नेबर है, तो इसमें कई चीज़ों में हमें क्या है, दिक्कत आएगी कि हमें पता नहीं लगेगा कि ये नोड किस में फेलियर आया था और किसकी वजह से हमें रिकॉन्फ़िगरेशन की ज़रूरत है. Nextly, there are 3 to 4 more types of topology which are not really though important, but just to tell that what exactly they follow, please do understand it and keep it in mind at what they really mean. Coming to the next is that is a tree topology. So this is the basically the variation of bus topology. The shape of network is in the form of an inverted tray, as you can see on the screen, with the central root branching and sub branching to the extremity of the network. So basically in this it is same way as the bus, but there is no need to remove packets because it is absorbed by the terminator. Next kind of topology that we have is the graph topology. In this topology, nodes are connected together in a fashion. A link may or may not connect two or more nodes. There may be multiple links also. Means as you can see on the screen, you can see some there are multiple, and in some case there are no nodes connected. But if we establish a can be established in two nodes, one or more links, it is called as a connected graph. So it can be asked what is a connected graph. If a path can be established in two nodes via one or more links, it is called as a connected graph. Next, coming to the mesh topology. In this topology, each node is connected to more than one node to provide an alternative route in case the host is either down or too busy. So as you can see on the screen, this is the way the mesh topology works. Basically, we can say it is a connection of more than two types of a topology. Next, we have fully connected. When in a network, each host is connected directly, there is a direct link between each host, then the network is said to be fully connected. जहाँ पे क्या है, कभी भी कोई host किसी और के साथ directly connect है तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, fully connected type of topology. So guys, I hope you must be clear about the different types of network, that is LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, and also different types of topology that we use, in which the most important is the star topology, bus topology, as well as the ring topology. So guys, I hope you must be clear about everything that I explained to you with the help of advantages and disadvantages and also the picture depicting it and understanding each and every concept. So do let me know in the comment section what do we mean by a ring topology in your words. And if you like the content I post, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends so that each and everyone gets this video. And thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and take care and have a lovely day.